Welcome to the YouTube channel. In this Power Automate tutorial, we will see how to convert string to GUID. Basically, in Power Automate, we will use the GUID method function which generates an unique ID. But here I will tell you how you can convert the string to GUID format in Power Automate. But if you use the GUID method, then we can't create a unique ID based on a specific string. Therefore, I will take a regular string and I will convert it into a unique ID format, which includes dashes like the GUID contains, or if you want to add curly braces in the last and first of the unique ID. So now let's move on to the Power Automate. Start converting the string to GUID. So this is my Power Automate. So here I will create an instant cloud flow that will convert string to GUID. Click on manually trigger a flow, then click on create button. So in the next step, I will initialize a string. So here I will tell GUID and I will take the type as string and I will provide the value. Let's say this one. In the third step, I will convert the string to GUID with curly braces. For this, I will add an compose action. So here I will add an expression for this to convert this string to GUID. For this, I will take this expression which will concat the curly braces and which will convert the string to GUID with hyphen and curly braces. Copy this expression and I will paste it here. Then click on OK. Now if I will run my flow, click on save. Okay. So here my variable name is GUID, but it is expecting that my variable name would be GUID string. So I will give this GUID string because in expression I have used GUID string as variable. So it is expecting that I will use GUID string. Otherwise I will change in the expression. So now click on save and run our flow. So here you can see our flow runs successfully and this string is converted to GUID. You can see here. So our last thing is without curly braces how we can do. Sometimes we need without curly braces unique ID. So for that case I will add another compose action. So here also I will use this expression which will not concat the curly braces in the first and the last end of the GUID. This will only convert the string to GUID without curly braces. So click on OK. Now save the flow. These expressions I will provide in the video description. You can take from there. Click on test and then click on run flow. Then click on done. Here you can see our flow runs successfully and it is without curly braces. And the first one which we have used, it is of curly braces. So that's all for today. We will see you on next video. Till then keep watching and do subscribe our YouTube channel to see lot more free video tutorial on SharePoint Online, Power Apps, Power Automate and many more. Thanks for watching.